English Learning Network.
Hi there. I don't think we've met before. Are you new to the neighborhood?
Yes, I just moved in last week. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Lily. What's your name?
I'm Maya. Thanks, Lily.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Maya. How are you finding it so far?
It's really nice here. The street is quiet, and I love the little park nearby.
Yes, the park is great. I sometimes go jogging there in the morning. Do you like jogging?
A little. I prefer walking or just sitting and reading.
That sounds relaxing. So, where are you from originally?
I'm from the countryside, but I moved here for work.
Oh, interesting. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. What about you?
I'm a teacher at the local school.
That's wonderful. I guess you must be busy with students every day.
Yes, but I enjoy it. Teaching is fun. By the way, do you live alone or with family?
I live with my younger sister. She's still studying.
That's nice. If you need any help, just let me know.
Thank you, that's so kind. Actually, could you recommend a good grocery store nearby?
Sure. There's a supermarket 2 blocks away and a small bakery right on the corner. The bakery sells fresh bread every morning.
Oh, I love fresh bread. I'll definitely try it.
You should! And sometimes they give free samples on weekends.
Really? That sounds great. Thanks for the tip.
Anytime! We should hang out sometime. Maybe go for a coffee together.
I'd love that. Let's do it this weekend. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.